So now, let's explore C-sharp operators. So, ang C-sharp operators ay ginagamit upang magsagawa ng iba't ibang uri ng operasyon tulad ng arithmetic, assignment, comparison, at logical operations. First, meron tayong arithmetic operators. So, yung arithmetic operators perform basic mathematical operation like addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. So, here's how they work. Here's addition. It adds two values. Example, 10 plus 5 equals 15. Second is subtraction. Subtracts one value from another. Example is 10 minus 5 equals 5. Third is multiplication. It multiplies two values. Example, 10 times 5 equals t. Fourth is division. It divides one values by another. Example is 10 divided by 2 equals 5. Fifth is yung modulus. It returns the remainder of a division. Example is 10 modulus 3 equals 1. Why? Because 10 divided by 3, meron tayong reminders na 1. So, that is the modulus. 6 is increment. It increases the value by 1. Example, if x equals to 5, x plus, so yung x, which is 5, it becomes 6. Next is decrement. Kabaliktaran siya ng increment. So, it decreases the value by 1. Example of, if x is equal to 5, x decrement or x minus minus, so 5, it becomes 4 because it decreases value by 1. So next, meron tayong assignment operators. So assignment operators simplify how value are assigned to variables. So meron tayong equals. Assign a value. Example is int x equals 5. Addition assignment. It adds a value to current value. Example is x. Addition assignment 5 means x equals x plus 5. Next is subtraction assignment. It subtracts a value from the current value. Example, x subtraction assignment equals 10 means x equals x minus 10. Next is multiplication assignment. It multiplies the current value by another. Example, x multiplication assignment equals 3 means x equals x times 3. Division assignment. It divides the current value by another. Example, x division assignment 4 means x equals x divided by 4. Modulus assignment gets the remainder after division. Example is x modulus assignment 3 means x equals x modulus 3. Now, we have also comparison operators. These operators compare two values and return either true or false. example is this, equal to. Check if the values are equal. Not equal. It checks if values are not equal. Greater than. It checks if one of value is greater than another. Less than. It checks if one value is less than another. Greater than or equal. It checks if one value is greater than or equal. Lastly is less than or equal. It checks if one value is less than or equal. Now, we have also logical operators. Logical operators combine or negate conditions. Meron tayong tatlo. And, or not. And returns true if both conditions are true. Or returns true if at least one condition is true, not reverse the condition truth value. Like, if it false, it will be true. If it's true, it will be false. Meron tayong C-sharp math class. The C-sharp math class provide tools for mathematical tasks. Here's some example. First, meron tayong math.max. It finds the greater value between x and y, like this. Kunyari, ang x and y natin is 5 and 10. So, ang magiging output dyan is 10 because mas malaki ang 10 sa 5. Also, meron tayong math.min, which is kabaligtaran ng math.max, kung saan ang hahanapin naman niya is yung pinakamaliit. So, pag ito pa rin ang ginamit natin, ang magiging output ay 5. Also, meron din tayong math.squared. It calculates the square root of x. Also, math.abs, it returns the absolute value of x. So, kapag negative 4 ang lumabas, it becomes 4. Next is math.round. It round x to the nearest whole number. For example, ang nilagatan is 7.75. It will give 8. Next is yung math.floor. Ginagamit din siya sa pag-round off. Pero, sa kanya, isang binivisualize niya is yung nasa baba. For example, kahit 7.75 siya, magiging 7 pa din ang result. Because ang ginamit natin na pang round off is yung math.floor. On the other hand, yung math.ceiling, kabalagtaran siya ng math.floor. Pag nag-round out tayo ng 7.75 or kahit 7.25 yan, ang lalabas is 8 because math.ceiling ang ginamit natin. By understanding C-sharp operators and math class, you can write efficient and logical code for any applications.